How to give access to Facebook page. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further switch between your personal account and your Facebook page by tapping on the switch icon right beside your name. Once you are in your Facebook page, tap on the menu option from the bottom right again and further tap on the gear icon on the top right of your screen. Now, under the Audience and Visibility tab, tap on the Page Setup option and further tap on the Page Access option. You will now be able to view the people with the access to your Facebook page. Tap on the Add New option beside the People with Facebook Access tab, and further tap on the Next button. Now, tap on the search bar and search for the person you want to add access to. Make sure that once you give access to someone, they will have the access to the contents, messages and calls, community activities, ads and insights, and also, based on your choice, toggle on or toggle off the button for allow this person to have full control. Once you're done making the changes and setting the priorities, tap on the Give Access button and further enter your password and tap on the Confirm button, and with this the access will be given. So this is how you can give access to Facebook page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.